You are going to love the 2021 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.